I'm Stephen Young, the Chief Executive of Halton Borough Council. We're here today in Manchester with Solace and Civica talking about the future of local government. The final part of the session today was about emerging technologies. I think the big takeaway in terms of emerging technologies is one, to get a greater understanding, particularly amongst our political leaders, so they understand the benefits of emerging technologies, but it's also about understanding our current processes and not just putting emerging technologies on the top of existing processes which might not be fit for purpose. It's about doing a complete redesign and then finding a technical solution. I think it's really important to come together and talk about the big issues of the day. Local government as a sector is changing and it's facing quite a lot of change over the next 10 to 15 years. I think it's important to find headspace for leaders within the sector to come together to understand the issues and start talking about the potential solutions.